All right, welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you guys some NVIDIA settings you should change to make your monitor display better colors. Whatever you see on your monitor will look better after changing these NVIDIA graphic cards settings. Okay, so let's get into it. So first of all, if you're using a laptop, then you might not have this video settings and adjust video color settings. If you don't see this, sorry, this video isn't for you, but if you see this, good, you can stay. And if you're using a desktop with NVIDIA graphic card, then you should see this option. Now just go to video. Okay, if it's collapsed, just expand it and go to adjust video color settings. Okay, so now in here you will see with the video player settings by default, what you're gonna do is change it to with NVIDIA settings, and after that you will see all of these. You can also change the brightness and everything, okay, but leave it default. Default is good. The most important thing you need to change here is the dynamic range. By default it will be limited to 16 to 235. Okay, what you're gonna do is go to full and apply, and immediately you will see some improvements. Okay, so that's that. And after that, what you can do is, if you have a dual monitors, you'll have to go to the second monitor and do the same thing. If it's like different brands monitors, it's not the same type of monitors, then it will try, like, it will improve the quality of the colors display, and yeah, they will match. If it's not matching right now, it's not gonna be exactly the same if they are like from the different brand, but if you do this, the other display will also show you better colors. Okay, so that's that. You just change from limited to full and apply. Okay, I already applied. And yeah, these are the settings that you should change to make your monitor display better colors. And one more thing you can change here is go to display, under display, go to change resolution and scroll down, and again change use default color settings to use NVIDIA color settings. And by default it's full for me. I don't know why, but if it is limited, just like this, output dynamic range, then just go to full and apply, and your monitor might blink, and now your monitor will display even better colors. Okay, so this is something that you should change. I have noticed some really huge improvements when I change these settings. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, how do you feel looking at your monitor after changing these NVIDIA settings? So I had to reinstall the Windows on my PC, so I was about to change the settings. So I was like, okay, why not make the tutorial, because nobody has seen me do this, nobody knows about this, that I use these settings for my monitor. So yeah, do the comment. How do you feel after and before? Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to know what monitors do I use, then I will put the name in the description, so you'll know that this type of monitors I'm using. I have a dual monitor from different brand actually. One is MSI, one is Dell, and they look totally different actually. Even though like main monitor is okay. Yeah. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.